guys.
Hello, everybody.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jen from Just Jen. This is my fiance Brian. And we were challenged is definitely the correct word, to do a marshmallow challenge haul by the channel Smile Until It Hurts. It's Eric and George over at Smile Until It Hurts. So please go check out their channel. We're going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. And the challenge is that we're going to feed each other marshmallows before each item, and then we're going to continue until we have our face so full of marshmallows that we can't talk. Now, I believe you are a marshmallow eating champion, right? Are you?
I kind of fibbed.
You fibbed? Oh my gosh, we're going to lose this. Okay. Anyway, so I'm going to leave a form down below because Eric and George have so kindly offered to send one of my subscribers a Smile Until It Hurts package. So I'm going to leave an entry form down below. I'll pin it in the comments so you guys get in on that giveaway. And then I would like to let Eric and George know that I want to give away a package on their channel. So in a future video of theirs, they're going to do a giveaway. It's going to come from me and for their subscribers. So that's super duper exciting, right? Yeah. So yeah, make sure you get down below. So are you ready for our We're going to do Dollar Tree. So are you ready? I think I said everything I need to say. Are you ready to start our challenge? Yes?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get going. Hello, fellow smilers. Welcome back to Smile Until It Hurts. We're doing a marshmallow challenge today. We're doing a marshmallow challenge and we're going to be shoving marshmallows in each other's mouth while we haul Dollar Tree items.
So much fun.
Dollar Tree. We love Dollar Tree.
Yes,
we love Dollar Tree.
I love Dollar Tree.
George, do you want to shove it in me?
No.
No, I meant the marshmallows, George. I meant the marshmallows.
Yes.
Okay. Do you want me to go first, George?
Yes.
Or do you want me to go first?
Yes, you go first.
Okay. Let's see. So you have to put a marshmallow in my mouth then. I hope I know. Oh my God, it's your marshmallows between my legs.
No.
Okay, you have to put it in my mouth. Oh my God, I'm gonna gag. Well, how many are we gonna? I'm not gonna be able to fit like 2 or 3 in here. I'm gonna smoosh it. All right. Whew. I'm sweating already, George.
I know it's gonna be rough.
I know it's gonna be really rough. So my first item is the hand sanitizer case from Dollar Tree. The sanitizers are very hard to find because all of you hoochie coochies buy them all up at one time. So here is the hand sanitizer case. I got this one because it's sparkly, George.
It could go on a keychain.
It could go on a keychain, George. You're right. Good idea, George.
Yes. Very
nice. So this one is so it's just a hand sanitizer case, but I can never get the hand sanitizers because all of you hoochie coochies buy them out and I can never get it.
Okay.
It's your turn, George. Ready?
Yay. Okay.
Open up, George. Stick it in your...
No.
Okay.
Okay, guys. We found this. It is a...
What is that?
Remain noodles cup for your noodles.
Oh, that's good, George. What else could we use that for, George? Anything? Or just noodles?
Just noodles.
Oh, okay. We'll show it to the camera, George. Jeez. Get it up there, George. Perfect.
Can you let me talk sometimes?
Okay. Sure, Yes, George.
Okay.
That's a good item, George. Good find.
Yes.
Good find, George. Okay, my turn for the marshmallow.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Oh my God. Did I bite you? I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Okay. My next item are these beautiful eye patches, cooling, brightening. Look at that package, George.
Ooh, sparkly.
It is sparkly, isn't it? I love it, George. This is so nice. And they're probably really wet. And, yeah, you just put them right here when you're having a little menopausal moment. I have menopause.
Yes.
Don't I?
Yes, you do.
I do. My breastises hurt sometimes, so this is I'm going to put these in my refrigerator and then put them on my eyeballs so that, so it'll be right in my eyeballs.
Yes.
Okay, George. George, where's Pink? Have you seen Pink?
No, I haven't seen it.
Pink! Pikachu!
Pikachu!
Pikachu, where are you?
Up here she is.
Oh, there's Pink. There she is.
Yay.
There she is. She's
Hi,
so
Pink.
cute. hold on to. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, George, you're next, I think.
Yep.
There you go, George. Do you want me to hold pink? Or are you okay?
Yep, I'm good.
Okay.
Okay. We got the remain noodles for the cup. So it's kind of like a combo.
Oh, that is a good set, George. Good thinking, George.
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome, sweetie. You're welcome. That's a good gift set.
Yes.
That is a good gift set for Christmas for all you ho-ho-hos. Okay? Is it my turn, George?
Yes, it's your
Okay,
turn.
you get to feed me. Okay. Oh my Lord, I'm gonna gag. I'm gonna gag. I'm sweating already, George. I have a bad gag reflex, George.
Yes.
As you well know from all that time in the
No.
19... Okay. All right, George. So then I found these nail files for all of you moms out there, for you lovely moms. They are sassy and chic. Okay, sassy and chic. And they come in these cool little, isn't that cool item, George?
Yeah.
We love it, George. And pink is looking lovely today. I don't have my glasses on, George. I can't see how to open this.
Here.
Help me.
Let me get it for you.
Yeah, get it for me. Thank you. It's my sweetie George over there. I think I'm drooling. So the case opens like so. Looks like this. Love that item. Beautiful item for your mom for Christmas.
Yay. It's my turn.
George, your cheeks are looking poofy already.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Yeah, stick it in there, George.
No. You want a whole pink Pikachu?
This is our dog, Pikachu.
Okay.
We call her Pink. Scarlet.
Next one is a
What is it, George?
USB laptop light. It plugs on the side of your
I love it, George.
laptop.
I love it. Good gift. It's a good gift for your mom, your dad, your sister, your brother, your cousins, uncles, mothers, friends, daughter's sister. Perfect, George.
Very good.
Why is that red? Okay. Here's pink back.
She didn't like you.
Well, that's rude, sweetie. I love all my animals. Will you
Ready?
shove that in me?
No.
Okay. Oh my God. Next item I have is some yummy sweet potatoes.
We love them.
We love sweet potatoes, don't we, George?
Yes, we do.
Do you?
Yes.
Yes, they're so tasty. And usually I'll make a roast and then we'll have some sweet potatoes on the side and I am going to gag, George. I can't breathe. I'm sweating. I'm menopausal. My boobs hurt. My man boobs. So there's my item. I'm just trying to get through this, George.
My turn.
You forgot that one. Okay. Oh no, we dropped something. Oh my gosh. Shove it in there, George.
Okay. Next one is.
What do you
I thought I
have?
would like this one.
You think you would like it? What is it?
Heinz habanero.
George, show the camera. Jeez.
I'm holding Pikachu.
Sure, I know, but gosh.
You never let me talk.
What is this, George?
Well, if you let me explain.
Okay, go ahead.
Habanero ketchup.
What are you gonna do with
Probably
it, George?
my hash browns.
On your hash browns?
My hash browns.
Oh, that sounds delicious. That sounds delicious, George.
So I really like
Delicious, okay? Delicious. Oh my gosh, is it my turn again? Oh, Pink. I love you, Pink. It's my turn, George.
that. Okay. Ready?
Oh my gosh, hold on. Wait.
Ready?
Just put it in a little bit. Just the tip.
No.
Okay. Next up, I look like the Godfather. I look like the Godfather.
You are.
I look like the Godfather. Okay. Oh my God, I bit my tongue.
Oh no.
So then I grabbed some of this Ione brush-on nail glue for my nails. It's new, I think. I don't know. It might be new. It might be old. It's just really good for a gift, and you can use it for your brush-on nails if you wear nails. Sometimes it was a good idea, wasn't it? Yeah, it was, George. It was such a good idea. Good item. George, do you have any more items over there?
Yes.
Okay. Oh my gosh. How many are you going to fit in there? How many are you going to fit in there?
We'll find out.
Oh my gosh. We should sing a Christmas carol while we're doing this. Are you okay over there?
Yes.
Okay.
The next one is
Dashing through the snow in a
Eggo
one-horse open sleigh. George, because why are you drooling? Oh my God, you're drooling, George. Ew. Dashing through the snow
Dashing through the snow
in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Ha ha ha.
Ha, ha.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay, that was that one.
Ooh, Eggo socks.
Yeah.
We love those. We love those Eggo socks. How many more do you think you can stick in there, George?
I don't know.
I'm ready. I'm ready for you. I'm ready for my marshmallow.
There we go.
I'm gonna break my teeth. Let me shove that in there. Are they supposed to be in your mouth?
Yes.
Oh man. Okay. The next thing I got, I think we're good at this. The next thing I got is this pumpkin chai latte exfoliating foot mask for my feet because my feet are dry and cracked, and it's a 20-minute application, and this is a good gift, a good gift for your mom.
Your who?
Your mom?
Your mom?
Or your mom or your dad. Whatever. This is so, boy, I'm gonna gag. I'm really gonna gag, okay? Woo! I can't even talk, you guys. Pumpkin chai latte foot masks at Dollar
What
Tree.
kind of mask?
Pumpkin choi.
Pumpkin choy?
Yeah. Oh man, we're good. I feel like I'm doing better than you. Here, your turn. Put it where you want it.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, I think we're good at this. I think Just Jen, that beautiful Just Jen, is going to do a giveaway too, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
This next one is a collapsible travel bowl
Oh!
for Pikachu.
Oh, this is for Pikachu. A collapsible travel dish, dog dish, from Greenbrier Kennel Club. It's for Pink. Hi, Pink. It's for you, Pink. Do you love it? I knew you would love it, Kit. I knew you'd love that, Pink. Is it my turn already
How
again?
many you got?
Not very many.
Okay. Here we go.
I'm sorry. I bit your finger. Uh-oh. I think we're getting to the end because I don't
You're getting there.
have anywhere to stuff any more marshmallows.
No.
Do I?
No.
Okay. Then I'm spitting. Then I got these Moonlit Glow Brightening Under Eye Mask. I must be having an under eye mask situation because I get bags under my eyes, and so I wanted to get these to brighten up this area. George, why didn't you tell me to shave over here? Look at this.
You have to look at
Oh my gosh. Oh my
Sorry.
gosh. I just looked in the mirror.
Sorry.
Oh, look. Okay. So these are the Moonlit Glow Brightening Under Eye Mask. I can barely understand what I'm saying. How are you okay over there?
I'm just fine.
You also have a big mouth.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh.
Hang on. Okay.
Hang on. What do you mean, hang on? How are you going to... Do you have an item?
This is
What is it?
the Pro Slick Saloon.
What?
Saloon.
What? Shake. What is it?
Moisturizing body wash.
What did you call it? What did you call it? The what? The what? Look at this. Look at this.
The Pro Silk Saloon.
Saloon? A saloon, he says.
Oh no, I dropped Pikachu.
Oh no. It is not saloon, George.
Salon.
Salon. It's salon. This isn't the Western. This isn't a Western, George. It's the salon.
Sorry. I got too much stuff in my mouth.
I know. We're getting down to the nitty gritty here.
Okay.
Okay.
You ready?
No.
Are you chewing?
No. Maybe. Oh my god. Oh my god. So then I got this brush. It says it's got a scrape grater right here, but I'm going to use this in my bathroom. I'm spitting everywhere. Is pink okay?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm spitting all over the place. So I'm going to use this in my bathroom to clean.
Yes.
I think I'm going to throw up.
Don't do that.
Okay, so I'm going to put this in my bathroom to clean. And I really like this brush. We use it when we do dishes too, which George never does
I'm
dishes.
starting to sweat.
Are you? I'm sorry, George. What, do you think we could do one more?
Yeah. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, here it comes. Get it in there. Get it in there, George.
Okay.
Oh no, what's that? Okay. You gotta show an item, George. Oh, you out of items?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Yeah. Well,
That's all we got. So, oh wait, I got this.
iridescent nail polish.
Iridescent nail polish. I think it looks like Christmas. Do you
Yeah.
think it looks like Christmas, George?
Yeah.
I love it. So good, so good. So get this for your dad or your mom or your sister. I'm gonna vomit. Okay, one more item for me, George.
Okay.
Pikachu.
They're sticking together.
Oh no. Okay. Alright. My last item, you guys. Bandages.
Bandages.
We need bandages all the time.
Yes.
These are sheer, transparent, adhesive bandages. You get all different sizes. This is such a good stocking stuffer.
Yes.
Yeah, you guys. If you cut yourself a lot like I do, this is it. So I don't think I can eat any more, George. Or I'm gonna gag. You can still eat more? George! George, stop it, George! Jeez, George. Okay, George, I think you're done.
Well,
I think we're done here. We just want to thank you for watching. George! Thank you so much for watching and being a part of our channel. And don't forget to shop at our store. It's called Shop Until It Hurts.
well,
And thank you for watching this video. And we love you so much. Bye! Let's swipe out.